So this is a 2007 Lexus GX470, and I'm doing the secondary air injection system bypass, and I purchased it from Jeff with Slyfox75. If you look him up on Google, you'll find his bypass kits. And basically, just to run through it real quick, you pop off your fuse box, run this in real quick. I have it velcroed down already, and this is basically what you do with the relay. Only on the silver spades, not the copper. Make sure it's down good and tight. Then after that, you run the big long wire all the way against your firewall. And for the Lexus, they are the black and red wire. So these wires doesn't really matter which way they go, negative or positive or red or black. So once you complete the circuit right there, completed that relay, then you install the block off plates. Fairly simple. I took off both wheels to make my life easier. Soaked them overnight. Let's see. And basically that's it. And you just push this back in like that. And then tighten it up, and it's basically complete. So I'm pretty sure this kit can take you from 30 minutes to an hour depending on what you're doing. Mine took a little bit longer because